to Dipansh read the song. Okay, so today we're going to be continuing our Road Survival episode 2. So, if you have not seen it yet, go and see it now because this is going to be the final episode. So, first let's save it as a copy and a copy of it and then rename the copy to episode 3. Okay, so last time we allowed the snakes to spawn in, move, and if it hits the player is out. I've already done the collision, so that's great. Okay, so let's get back to enemy snake. Now, this script over here, it's basically not working out. So, for now, we'll put this over there. Now, with all the code we have done over here, wait a second. Sorry for that, I'm sick. So, if I put very status column and is touching player over here, it's broadcasting you lose. Let's go back to the backdrop and add a you lose screen. So let's add you lose. But we also want a timer to indicate when the game is ending or when the game is ending. Like we also need to see the how much timing we're surviving because the main game is for 1 whole minute. So I'm just going to be finding a good one. Not that one. Okay. So I found the good one. So what we're just going to do is type on the top, game over. Game over. Sorry. Yeah, to make it more polite. Because I'm using an exclamation mark. I'll make it first, go to the center. This is a trick if you want it to be all the way in the center. And press up. So it will go all the way up in the correct center. Right on. So let's change it to a little bit red and right on it. Next we'll put a time survived. Time survived. So time survived. I'll just put it like that and then better luck next time. Just like that. And then right like that. I'll put the better luck, the next time to be a different color. So it's not all black. Dark. Yep. This color is better. Okay. So now let's create a new player variable forever for all sprites called timer. I'll use all caps for all sprite variables. So let's click OK. Now the scripts for timer is very simple. When green flag starts, forever, at the top we have to set timer to be 0 every time. Set timer to be 0. Sorry for that. And then change timer by 1. So change timer by 1 and wait 1 second. Basically that's all we want. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. It'll just keep going. So now let's go to stage. When green flag starts, set switch backdrop to play background. Just like that. And then whenever I receive you lose, broadcast you. When I receive you lose, switch backdrop to blue sky. Oops, I forgot to rename it to you lose. Let's rename it to you lose. Okay. I don't have to do the coding in this sprite, so what I'm going to do is paint a new sprite with nothing but called game settings. I don't want to do all the coding in the backdrop because most of the coding can't be done in the backdrop, you know. So this will go into game settings, this go into game settings, I have it in game settings, yes. And I'll delete both of these and delete block. Okay, I'm just going to wrap these. Okay, in game settings, now we have both of these. So now if we run it, okay, I'm just going to wait for something on and now when I receive you lose, I should also make it so that it will stop. Oh, because we also need a way for our game to end. The backdrop is switching. Now the only thing we need is the player to hide. Sorry for that. So when I go to the player, everything is very simple. At the top of the script, we'll just put a show block. And to make things all better, I'll just create a new custom block called start settings, like that. Result screen refresh, okay. Then we put this block right over here. There we go, put this over here, this over here. Everything is working the same. It's still put in the same direction and good, everything's still working. So we can just go to when I receive you lose, just go to looks and hide. That's all we want. And now, if I wait for a snake spawn, okay, I just have to. And yeah, it's all working. Now I need to also do it for the timer. So if I go here in the start settings, I'll show the timer variable. So variable timer, but at the end I'll hide variable timer. I'll put it to a large readout right at the corner. And yep, everything's working. Sorry for that. Okay, all we need is to, when we lose, we need to detect the timing of this. But how will we do that? Good thing that I already have a place to do. Let me put it to end show timer. So it will be all sprite to end show timer. Like that. Click OK. So now we have end show timer. Large readout. Find the position of beside the time survived. And basically, yeah, we have it over here. So I'll go to game settings and when green flag click, set wait a second, I'll run it out. If I send it over here, yep, now it's showing. And if I remove it, okay, it's still there, great. Okay, good thing that I still have it. So if I go to end show timer, right over here, so set end show timer to 0 and hide variable end show timer. Here, first, set end show timer to timer just for tiny second. That's I'm going to put set end show timer to timer. Then I'm going to show variable end show timer. So now it should work. I'm dodging it. Haha, I dodged the snake really fast. Oh my god. That just scared me. I think I'm the best gamer at this. But I'm great. Oh, okay. I need to put it a little bit up to the position right over here. Okay. Now if I check it out, I wanna come through it. Okay, I just okay. Yeah, it is great. Now for the winning screen, so I'll just copy this, rename it to "You Win." So you beat the game. Okay, you win. You win. Nice gaming. Okay, you win. Hooray! Just hooray for a simple message. Hooray. Okay, hooray. Like that. And then basically times your 5. I think we will need it. And over here, I'll put one more wins. Play again. Play again. I'll just make it right over the middle and let it through. Okay, I'll not put one more wins. Then it will kind of make sense. And very big. Okay, there. Okay, so now we have the win screen. So now I have to put if block. So if timer is equal to timer is equal to 60, which is 1 minute. I'll just go to put 61 for some. Okay, 60 would be okay. 60. Then I'll broadcast a new message. You win. Broadcast, you win. Click OK. Go all the way down. And here, same thing. Go to game settings. Let's go all the way here. Switch backdrop to win. And yeah, that's basically much it. Let's play the game and give it a try. So I will try to lose the first time. So haha, no one can beat me. I'm with yeah. Okay. Saying the you. Oh, I forgot. I have to put it to the you win. Okay, let's try it again. I forgot to do it. Oh yeah, and boom. 3 seconds. Let me show you how you should play the game. Sorry for that. Oh, okay. Let's try to win the game now. 61 seconds to 5. 60 seconds. Okay, I will die in there. I will die at them. Okay. It just suddenly spawns. You actually don't know when they are coming. Okay. I survived that. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm just going to see. It's been 25 seconds till now and I haven't still died. I think I'm going to make the world record this game. Okay, if you lose or you win, comment the timing below. Just asking. You can comment the timing below if you lose or you win or you think you beat me in a higher score, like you beat me in a 70 or a 80. Tell me that. And yeah, I survived 49 seconds. So yes, all we know is the game is working and yeah, that's good. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Bye.